नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science. Today topic is Calcarea Carb, Part 3. Stool symptom of this medicine is crawling and constriction in rectum, stool large and hard. Other medicine bryonia, whitish, watery, sore, prolapse, ani and burning, stinging hemorrhoids, diarrhea of undigested food, fitted with ravenous appetite, children's diarrhea, constipation, stool at first hard, then pasty, then liquid, urine symptom, dark brown, sore, fitted, abundant with white sediment, bloody, irritable bladder, enuresis, use 30 potency, also tuberculinum 1M, male symptom, frequent emissions, increased desire, semen emitted too soon, coition followed by weakness and irritability, female symptom, before menses, headache, colic, chilliness and leukorrhea, cutting pain in uterus during menstruation, menses too early, too profuse, too long, with vertigo, toothache and cold damp fit. The least excitement causes their return. Uterus easily displaced, leukorrhea milky, other medicine sepia, burning and itching of parts before and after menstruation in little girls, increased sexual desire, easy conception, hot swelling breast tender and swollen before menses, milk too abundant, disagreeable to child, deficient lactation with distended breast in lymphatic women, much sweat about external genitals, sterility with copious menses, uterine polyp, respiratory symptoms, tickling cough, troublesome at night, dry and free expectoration in morning, cough when playing piano or by eating, persistent irritating cough from arsenical wallpaper. Clark said to this, extreme dyspnea, painless hoarseness, worse in the morning, expectorations only during the day, thick yellow sore mucus, bloody expectoration with sore sensation in chest, suffocating spells, tightness, burning and soreness in chest, worse going upstairs or slightest ascent, must sit down, sharp pain in chest from before backwards, chest very sensitive to touch, percussion or pressure, longing for fresh air, scanty, salty expectoration, other medicine lycopodium, heart palpitation at night and after eating, palpitation with feeling of coldness, with restless, operation of chest after suppressed eruption, back symptom, pain as if sprain can scarcely rise from overlifting, pain between shoulder blades, impending breathing, rheumatism in lumbar region, weakness in small of back, curvature of dorsal vertebrae, nape of neck, stiff and rigid, renal colic, extremities, rheumatoid pain as after exposure to wet, sharp sticking as if parts were wrenched or sprained, cold damp fit, feel as if damp stocking were worn, cold knees, cramp in calves, sore foot sweat, weakness of extremities, swelling of joints, especially knee, burning of sole of feet, sweat of hands, arthritic nodositis, sole of feet raw, feet feel cold and dead at night, old sprains, tearing in muscles, Sleep, ideas crowding in her mind prevent sleep. Borrowed vision when opening eyes. Start at every noise. Fears that she will go crazy. Drowsy in early part of evening. Frequent waking at night. Same disagreeable idea always aroused from light slumber. Night terror. Other medicine Califos. Dreams of dead. Fever, chill at 2 p.m. Begins internally in stomach region. Fever with sweat, pulse full and frequent, chilliness and heat, partial sweats, night sweat, especially on head, neck and chest, hectic fever, heat at night during menstruation with restless sleep, sweat overhead in children so that below becomes wet, skin unhealthy, readily ulcerating, flaccid, small wounds do not heal readily, glands swollen, nettle rash, better in cold air, warts on face and hands, petechial eruptions, chilblains, boils, modalities, worse from exertion, mental or physical, ascending, cold in every form, water, washing, moist air, wet weather during full moon, standing, better by dry climate and weather, lying on painful side, sneezing, pain in head and neck. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.